After yesterday's chaos in Bangkok, temples, street food, and Chinatown overload, I'm starting to take it personally that Chinatown doesn't have anything that I want. We desperately need to redeem ourselves. Our goal for today is to have a relaxing morning, a free hostel experience, and a backpacker's dream food court.
I think I picked a better one.
Yeah, that was really good. Good morning, Wannabes. Today, we're both going on a run.
No, we're not.
No. Ashlyn is coming with me to the park though, but to get her to do that, I had to bribe her. Before we do any activities today, breakfast first.
Agreed.
Another round of each. All right, you ready for your bribe?
Yeah. Juice?
One orange juice. Oh.
70 and 5 baht.
5 baht? 25. Okay. Thank you.
My bribery, a fresh orange juice. That's actually kind of the same now that I'm marinating on it.
Oh, that's exactly the same.
Sorry, I had to marinate on it.
Stir it a little bit more. Yeah, that's really good. 25 baht, so what's that?
Less than $1.
Let's do the exact math. 25 baht or 77 cents. Yesterday ended a bit on a rough note, and to kick things off on a better note today, I found a park that's about a 10-minute walk from us. We're at Centenary Park here in Bangkok, and while I go on my 12-minute run, Ashlyn is gonna do some yoga and relax, and hopefully this just helps us have a more relaxing and fun day because we do have a great adventure planned today. All wrapped up with our run and yoga stretch. How was it?
It was good. It was really nice and chill.
You like the park?
Yeah, really pretty park. I love how close it is.
Ashlyn yesterday when I was like, we were building the schedule for today, she was, I don't want to walk that far. Because yesterday we did a lot of walking. And I was like, look, I promise you it's 10 minutes away, you're gonna love it. And so, you did.
I loved it.
Now, I think it's time for another little treat. What do you say we get some coffee?
I love it.
Okay. Punka, thank you. You too. Baby, turn right. All right, guys. We'll see you back at the hostel.
Yesterday we failed at being backpackers. We went to Chinatown hungry, plus we went over budget. Today, to mitigate that, our hostel is having a free cooking class, and we're making one of Thailand's local dishes.
And the entry fees. And so basically, like because I think
Shit, that was good. That was really good. What did you say this was called?
Pad Gra Pao.
Pad Pao.
Pad Gra Pao Gai.
Pad Pao Kai.
Yes. Pad Gra Pao Gai.
That was muy delicioso. And
What?
I think we'll be pretty set for tonight's adventure.
Yeah, honestly, I'm not even hungry. We don't even need dinner. I'm just kidding.
We are officially at Pier 21, and the way this works is you come on up to the 5th floor and you load up money on one of these cards. We put 500 baht on this, and don't worry if you don't finish it, they will give you a refund. Thank you. For our first meal of tonight, we decided to go with fried chicken and rice, which I know sounds really basic of us, but It was the first thing we saw that caught our eye, and it was 35 baht. Evelyn and I are gonna split up and conquer. She's staying at the table while I'm going back for a second dish. Okay, I think I found my next option. Hey, how you doing? Can I get one number 7? I wonder what Ash is gonna say about the green noodles. Let's find out.
As the record show, I thought he was coming back with pad thai. Gravy, but sweet.
Right? Isn't that strange?
Yeah. Excuse me. Our third dish, krapao. We made this for lunch today. I don't know if you've noticed. Only 47 baht. It's actually really good.
Something I am really enjoying about this is the scan and pay. What overstimulated me the most yesterday was trying to get my money out while it was so hot, while there were so many people, and it was just kind of difficult. And now, tap and pay and go. How awesome is that? Speaking of tap to pay, I'm on the search for water, and guess what I don't have? The card. Let me go back and get it from Ash. You know what would be really great to have?
Oh. But my mouth is on fire. Please run. What I'm really enjoying the most is that it's air conditioned in here. I just got super hot last night, and this is making this a very enjoyable experience. Okay, honestly I didn't like any of the dessert options, so we returned our card and got some of our cash back, and I went and got this brownie cookie batter brown sugar yogurt ice cream for 95 baht. Kind of pricey, but really good.
I think this was truly the experience we were looking for yesterday. We spent a total of $6 and what?
75 cents.
Okay, so well within budget, and we're nice and full. Had a lot of different options.
We're nice and cool.
Nice and cool. I see what you did there. Ultimately, guys, this was just such a different experience. I did notice a lot more locals, like kids getting out of school, people coming off of work, busier but not in a touristy sense. Like everyone just kind of knew what they were doing. Again, very quick scan and pay situation. We really enjoyed it, and to make it matters better, it's in a mall, so we're gonna go shop around and hang out, and tomorrow we officially head to Krabi. So see you later, wannabes.